Finding yourself bored and numb? Well, no worries, cause now you can get the all-new Ink Pods!
This is express square root of negative 27 in I notation. Factors of 27 are 27, 1, 9, and 3. So I have negative 1 times 9 times 3. The 9 can be broken up into two 3s. Remember, you can always multiply everything in the radicand to get back to the original. You have a pair. Square root of negative 1 into I. And then that 3 stays in there. 3i radical 3 is your answer. Notice there is no plus or minus because it's not an equation. Question number 2, simplify I to the 12th power. Let me use this method called exponents. So I to the 4th power is the easiest one, and to 3rd, that just basically means 3 of those, right? And if you expand those, that's 12i's. So 1 to the 3rd power equals 1 is your correct answer, D. This is our last quiz. I want to add 16 to both sides, you get this. And then you'll notice that this is in standard form. A is 1, B is negative 10, and C is 16. Alright, this one has subtraction, but we're going to use all positive numbers. So there's 3 boxes, so I'm only using the numbers 1, 2, and 3. Notice this number is no math operation, so that's my free space. I need 2 numbers. I can't pick 2 and 2, maybe 1 and 3. This one's going to have to be like 3 and 2. This is going to have to be like 1 and 3, so let's try it. I'm missing the number 2, so 2 plus 3, put a 1. Okay, look. I'm missing a 3 here, but this is bad because I'm repeating. So you can just go back and see if we could switch these numbers. See if that works. I'm missing a 1, and I'm missing a 2 here. 2 minus 1 equals 1, and that matches. Backside, so he said equal to 0. A is 1, B is 4, C is 2. E value is 4. So this goes in the middle of my table. I'm going to show you using Desmos how to get these values.
I'm going to Desmos just because I don't have my scientific programming calculator with me. Create my table of values, edit list, create table. Remember, we just found by hand. This is not the vertex, so we have to change that. 3, 4, negative 1, 0. I notice there's no 0 on my list, but I notice there's a sign change. Write those down, and also see that my axis of symmetry is negative 2, and my numbers are going to be between negative 3 and 4 and negative 1 and 0.
Okay, so I showed Desmos. We're going to look on the y side. We're looking for a sign change between a positive and negative. So I know the solutions are between x equals 0 and x equals negative 1. And up here is another sign change between x equals, start on the y, step on the x's over here, x is between negative 3 and negative 4. Graph it Alright, since graphing this, you'll see that my solutions are between 0 and -1, and -3 and -4.
Okay, in this problem you have two sets of parentheses, so you have multiplication there. So let's multiply them. I'm going to put this one on the side. It's okay if you wrote it on top, just switch them, it's okay. First going to multiply, then we're going to add. 2 times 5 is 10, negative 15i. Treat the I like an x. 6i, pay attention here, negative 9i squared. Let's write it out. If you did FOIL, you would have gotten the same. And now I'm going to add or combine like terms. So these are like terms because they both have an I. 6 minus 15 is negative 9i. Okay. Here you have I squared equals -1 or I equals the square root of -1. If you square both sides, that's a pair that comes out, so then I squared equals -1. That's what you want. So negative 9 times -1. So I'm getting this goes into there. Notice it's multiplication here, so it's multiplication there. So then you'll have 10 minus 9i plus 9, and then 10 plus 9 is 19 minus 9i. And this will be my answer.
Math is the best. Math is the best. Math is life. Mr. Ang, the best teacher in the West. We're so blessed to have Mr. Ang. Praise Jesus.